We're going to look at some more D functions in this video. In the previous video we did DSum, we did DAverage, and we did DCount. Now the next function we have on our list here is max, and there is a DMAX function. So we're going to find the maximum yield of all of our apple trees. And DMAX is the function we want. The database is these cells right here. Field again is field number 4, and the criteria again is just the apple trees, and click on OK. And the largest yield for my apple trees was 14. This function, the ordinary function, is min, the database function is DMIN. So select DMIN from the list. The database is here. Field number is 4, and I can also use the name of the field if you prefer, but make sure you put quotation marks around it. Make sure you spell it right too. And the criteria here is apple trees. Click on OK. And the apple tree with the lowest yield had a yield of 6. There's one other function that does not have a counterpart on the home ribbon, but it's similar. There was a count function which is used to count the numbers in a range. There's also a CountA function, and let's go down here and do equals CountA, and here our description says it counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. So I'm thinking maybe A stands for all, and so I could either do this, and if I select that range, since I have a value in every yield cell, I'm going to get 6. I could also do a CountA on these, and I'll still get 6. Now if I try to do a CountA, so if I try to do a count rather on these cells, I should get the number 0 because there are no numbers. So that's the difference between count and CountA. Count counts numbers, CountA counts a cell that has something in it. So we're going to do the database version of CountA. And our database is right here, including the headings. And this time we're going to go to column 1, and we're going to count up how many of those cells have the name of the tree in it, or the type of the tree. And our criteria is going to be apple again, and click on OK. And it tells us that in this range here there are 3 cells that have the word apple.